Nomster Chef loves to cook.
Tia's and Talia's Tasty Treats.
Welcome to Tia's and Talia's Tasty Treats. I'm Tia.
And I'm Talia. Today we are making a recipe from Nomster Chef, a website that teaches kids ages 2 through 12 how to cook healthy meals all by themselves.
Today we are making their falafel patties. In a food processor, combine 4 cloves of garlic, 2 14-ounce cans of drained and rinsed chickpeas. We like to save the aquafaba liquid for marine cookies.
They're really, really good and mostly yummy. You can eat them cooked, not raw.
1/2 large red onion, chopped.
And very tasty. We love them.
1 teaspoon paprika.
Oh my, it smells nice.
2 teaspoons ground coriander. 2 teaspoons ground cumin. 2 teaspoons baking powder. 2 teaspoons sea salt. I love salt. I'll have everything with salt if there is salt around me. 1 cup fresh parsley.
I love green and it smells so nice. And it looks like peppermint.
Kind of. 2 teaspoons olive oil. And lastly, 1/4 cup flour. We use gluten-free flour. Then slowly pulse all the ingredients until combined and sticky.
Have your mom put it in the bowl because it has a knife in it.
Then grease your hands with a little olive oil so the dough doesn't stick, and roll about 1/4 cup into a ball. And gently smush it down on the greased cookie sheet to make a patty.
And you always put 3 on each row because they get a bit big.
This one will be the last one.
And we can make tiny ones too if you like. Like me, I'm gonna make a tiny one. It's gonna be cute. And you can shape them however you like.
Finally, brush the tops of the patties with some more olive oil. And finally, the most important ingredient is love. Cook the patties for 15 minutes at 375 degrees and then flip them and cook them for 10 more minutes. They should be crispy on the outside and a little soft in the middle.
Look, they're out of the oven and they're so warm and so yummy.
They smell delicious. When they're cooled, you can dip them in tzatziki or plain yogurt or make sandwiches with pita pockets. They make a great snack or lunch.
Now let's taste them.
So yummy. So yummy.
Nomster Chef is so good.
This is only one of their recipes. They
my.
have a lot more recipes
That are so good.
and maybe better than these.
But these are one of them. One of a kind. Mom, can I please take these to school?
Yes.
Yes.
Thank you, Nomster Chef, for giving us this recipe. It's so good.
Thanks so much for watching.
Please subscribe to our channel.
Bye-bye.
Tomatoes, I like tomatoes.
Thank you. Pick out the good part. Okay. There. Okay. Thank you.